Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Fiverr without Payoneer. So on your dashboard, under the Selling and Earning, click on Fiverr Revenue Card. A pop-up will appear asking you to check your email for further instructions on adding your Payoneer card, which serves as the Fiverr Revenue Card. Then, click email link to confirm Fiverr and Payoneer card link. Clicking this link will redirect you to the Payoneer website where you will need to log in order to complete the linking process. Now, confirm Fiverr account linking in Payoneer website. If you already have a Payoneer prepaid card, then to the right of the page, click on the link you are provided with to connect into your Fiverr account. You should also get a confirmation message telling you your Payoneer card was successfully linked with Fiverr. After account linking, you can also visit Fiverr and under Selling Earnings, click on the Fiverr Revenue Card as your preferred withdrawal method. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.